So I'm back here at Multnomah Falls, and you can hear the rapids behind me. Just stopped here for a rest break, and just kind of admiring the view. You see, there's this like dead log with a bunch of moss growing over it, and ferns and other plants. It kind of gets me thinking about how there is no waste in nature. Anything that dies gives birth to new life. And everything around here is life. And even with the soil, it looks kind of dead, but I think if you actually dug underground, you'd probably find some mycelium, which is like the part of mushrooms and fungi that's underground. And for those who haven't read it, I would recommend a book by Paul Stamets called Mycelium Running: How Mushrooms Can Save the World. But anyway, this kind of gets me thinking about this other book I read by Janine Benyus called Biomimicry. And basically, one thing she often does is takes engineers and architects and designers of various sorts out into nature and has them kind of dig around and look for how nature does the tasks that they're trying to do. And what you find, when doing this is that nature has a way of doing things efficiently and in the context of its environment. Nature doesn't act atomistically; it acts holistically. There's always this. In a sense, I think one of the most important new scientific disciplines is ecology, because it's one of the first explicitly holistic scientific disciplines. And atomism, can help you study the part. I mean, studying the parts can get you a lot of, can get pretty far, but studying the interaction between the parts to study the whole, I think, is crucial for avoiding unintended consequences and for having a world that's ultimately sustainable. And so I think there's another book I guess I would want to put in my video, and I guess I'll just end up putting all the links to all these books in the description, which is Cradle to Cradle by William McDonough, and I forget what his co-author is, but anyway, but they talk about designing things with the end use in mind, so that say when a product wears out or something, it can be infinitely recyclable. We recycle things in our society, but we don't build them with the recycling in mind. So that's why recycling can be inefficient. But if things are designed to be torn down and recycled or reused, then we can sustain our civilization indefinitely. So I guess that's my thoughts for now. Peace.